All right. Global optics giant Zeiss announced its acquisition of Ncam Technologies, a trailblazer in camera tracking. This strategic move underscores Zeiss's commitment to pioneering advancements in the world of optics and optoelectronics. So Philip, this is your territory, I believe. So tell me a little more about that.
Yeah, so on the Zeiss side, it's interesting that Zeiss, who's a lens manufacturer, I mean, they are world renowned. I mean, they actually make a lot of different things in the computer industry from a much larger perspective. But in the film, Zeiss is known as a world leader in glass, and the fact that they're taking into or purchasing Ncam, which was at one time was one of the first leaders out there in sort of that VR space. I'm not sure what to think, to be quite honest. This could be very, very exciting. The fact that they're now going to take that world renowned glass that they manufacture and tie that into this technology that's allowed for virtualization and things like that, VR worlds or augmented reality, I guess is a better term for what they've done in the NCAM world. It could just take it to sort of that next level of professionalism instead of being this, gimmicky, approach that has now become a high-end professional option. Now, will they expand and take that technology into the camera world as well and become a competitor in the general camera world? It'll be interesting to see. I mean, Panavision did that. Panavision made cameras, made lenses. Let's see if Zeiss sort of goes down that same route.